Hi, hello guys. Today I'm gonna do a little vlog. It's our beach day. It's our day by ourselves unless we go and see someone at the beach. But vlog day. Today is Saturday. We haven't done this in a while. So guys, have fun with me today, alright? Remember to like, subscribe, share with a friend, and press that notification bell. And there's 3 selections. You select all so you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's go to beach. Alright guys, so we are on our way to the beach today. Say hi to the camera. Hello. So guys, you're gonna have fun with us today. Alright? Alright guys, there's not a lot of houses here on this island. But I should have shown you the hotels when we were passing. I guess I can do that later. So, just showing you a little bit of the island. Well, the area that we're passing. Alright, so all we see mostly is beautiful skies. Most of the houses over here are close to the beach. Guys, there's a little dark cloud up there. I don't know if we're gonna get rain or what, but it's still pretty sunny. So I don't know what's the plan up there today. Are closer to the beach. It's more to the beach side than to the lands, because even where we are staying, we're living very close to the beach. So it's now a lot of trees and stuff. The houses are way off the road. Almost at the beach. Alright guys, so we are gonna turn in right now towards the beach. So it's Point of Sand. There's a sign. Alrighty, here we go. There we go, guys. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the party in the sun. I say, Sango? Alright, people. Just tell me I Sango, yeah, because I don't know. Alright. Then there's a sign private, and you know all them kind of owner this and owner that. So, people, it's one way in, one way out. So if we're rushing from the beach and there's a lot of people at a vehicle, I don't know how this would work out. And if we reach halfway and somebody coming out, they gotta go back, or somebody gotta go back. Here we go to the beach, yeah, yeah. Alright guys, so we are here. We are gonna take the stuff out of the car and then we go down there and show you the rest. Alright guys, so we're walking down to the beach. The boss I go down with the igloo. So we have to be careful while we're walking, so because there are like prickly things in the sand. So we gotta walk carefully. So it was just us that are here so far. Well, are here. Just us that are here. And I'm seeing a new sign. Turtle nesting. Beach, no vehicle allowed beyond this point. Yes guys, so we have a lot of trail on this island. We have trail that you can walk to the beach. See, there's a little hole there. I think that's a turtle thingy, not sure, but here we go. We are here at the cabana. So you have some persons when they come, they do grilling here, but we bring our own food. Woo, shady. So we are in the cabana right now, and I'm gonna go closer to the beach so you can see Cayman Rock over there, and the barge is out there. So guys, as you can see, it's just us. We own this beach. Alright guys, so I'm walking towards the beach, and these little markings you can see going there, these are turtle marks. So they say our turtles are nested now, and they go all the way around there. So I don't know if we're gonna see any baby turtles. Well, I think we won't today, but if you look, you can see that little island. That's Cayman Brac. You can see this point here. And then there is the barge out there. Probably it's going to Cayman Brac, or it's going back to Grand Cayman. Not sure where it's going, but that's what supply the island with food. This is a very small island, so you can see from the end of Cayman Brac to the other end, right? And we are basically at the end of the island. So here we are. Hey, what you doing? Alrighty guys, we are here at the beach to have fun today. Yes, it's normally this quiet unless you make a plan with a few people and then you come here. And we have the beautiful skies. Alright guys, look at that. Look at the water. How pretty it is. Look at that. Look at that. Water cool and nice. Water almost clear. There's a dock right there and a house right there, and we can see that guys going out fishing. I don't know if you can see that boat all the way out there. These guys look like they're going fishing. Then there is another house up there. So we are at the end of the island, Little Cayman, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, it's my time to go in the water. Hey guys, woo! We just came out of the water. Gonna take a break. Ooh, the water is warm and nice. So we're gonna get something to eat. Woo, sinking. So we're gonna get something to eat. Woo. Right now. So guys, it's still just us that are here at the beach. At the beach. The water is warm and nice, but the sun is hot. Okay, so there is another sign here. This is the same sign that we passed out the front. Owner, hire private, and all those things. So it's now food time. Okay guys, so this is what's in the igloo. We have water, we have a little something, and we got fruits in here, and we have juice. So we have fried chicken, we have bread in the foil, we have ripe banana, and then we have biscuit. We got wipes to wipe our hands, and yep, we going digging. Yeah, no music, but that's fine. So who wants fried chicken? Okay guys, so it's now, we're on our break and we're going to eat some food.
I barely hear you, honestly.
See me? Me not know what it is. Alright. Is it better now?
Like, me hear say you make sound, but me not hear the words we are saying.
You know what? Is it back? I don't know what. So guys, I'm here.
You're here?
Talk,
You're vlogging and queer, so you ask girl.
talking to daughter. Break time. Soon talk back to you. So guys, this is the kind of bread that you must eat. So wheat bread with whole grain. Good for you. Very nice. Juice. Alright guys, so we're here today. It's like a day out for us. We actually saw Jamaica eat chicken leg. The lighting is terrible under here, but the sun is hot, so. Hello?
Short time.
Oh.
Him drink a lot of green juice. Well, the only thing is take a sugar. I like the honey, which you know is natural.
Yeah.
Which change seasoning. So you see where me put say if you use like herbs like brown seasoning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and we don't know if you up there if you have you call it no, it named kale.
Oh, yeah man, you can get the kale in the supermarket.
Yeah man, that's nice though. Like we make kale juice made fast. Yeah, so we drink the kale juice. We had like ripe banana to it, but I'm more like, you know what you would call it, the Chinese banana, like a bumpy banana.
Oh.
Which are really burro banana name.
Okay.
So we use that with a little piece of the kale of course with the flax seed,
yeah,
chia seed, and you know all of the little spice them and blend up. Or we just take plain green juice by using the green apple, the cucumber, and the kale.
Okay.
And the ginger. Yeah. So our people don't flat, they couldn't believe. So all the things that we did, we didn't took another thing say, you know, sick.
Yeah.
I think we can do that, and we change our oil. The oil we use, it is a blend of canola with olive oil and grapeseed oil.
Okay.
You couldn't get the straight grapeseed. But if you can get the straight grapeseed up there, you can use it.
Okay.
If it is a blend of like the olive oil and it, then you can use it. Because we never really want the canola oil, but we never have no choice. It was a Mediterranean blend of the three.
Oh.
Right. You understand? And we don't really do fried well, or we cut off of the meat and so the only meat we eat like the sardine and the like maybe once a time we might eat this chicken, but we not deliberately like go there and buy the chicken.
Okay.
Yeah, but we eat like the sardine and like red rain and the saltfish. We eat like quinoa. I don't know if you know the quinoa.
No, sir.
You can get it up there too. It look like okra seed, but fine.
Oh.
You have to wash it in the strainer, like a very big strainer, and make sure you have a bowl like underneath it. To not make it get way. And it cooks same way like rice.
Oh, you see.
Alright, guys. So guess what? That was one of my sisters in Christ. Yes, one of my church sister. She watched my video. So guys, if you haven't watched my crochet video yet, go ahead and watch. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, like, share, comment, and also when you click the subscribe button, click the notification bell and select the option all, so you will be notified every time I upload a video. So guys, we're just gonna take a little breather. We are relaxing a little bit before we go back into the water. So yes, so far so good. We're enjoying ourselves, just us. As we say, we own this beach. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'll check in with you later. Well guys, we sit here having our lunch and we saw this looked like an army ship or something. I'm not sure. I'm trying to get a little bit closer out there so you guys can see that. I don't know what kind of ship that is or what, but it's coming in, it seems. Yeah, the orange shoot them on both sides. Oh jeez. Okay, there go better. Well guys, you saw it here. Not sure what that is, but if it gets closer, I'll give you a better clip. Alright guys, so you can see it looks a little closer, but it looks, oh shoot, cat couldn't see where I was going, but it looks like a army ship. It seems like they have docked out there and they have anchored the ship out there, so it's like turning, because before we could see the front, now we are seeing the side where you can actually see that there are some choppers at the back. Sorry I couldn't see it closer guys, but while I'm here doing this, they're probably spying me too. Oh my god. So guys, this is it. And while I'm standing on this side here of the beach, you can also see a little bit closer to Cayman Brac. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. A little bit closer. Guys, this is kind of exciting. I've never seen one of these ships up close, because since the pandemic, the army ship, the British army ship, was in Grand Cayman, because they normally come over the hurricane season and do some stuff, but I guess they are touring or something. I don't know, maybe they're going to Grand Cayman and they just take a break. But you can see that there are two choppers at the back, those orange thing that you probably be able to see, or like the lifeboat just in case. And then we can see another house right there at the edge of the island there, guys. Yes, guys, it's a little bit exciting for me to see this ship because I've never seen one up close like this before. I've seen them in the movies, but not up this close, because I was so excited to see the ship. I forget to take up the tripod, so I have to be holding the phone with my hand. Alright, let's see if we can see it behind me here. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I think it's there, but there it is. Guys, it is beautiful. Get on over.
No, because it's on the edge. Let me go. And you go on, you know. Man, let me go here.
Man, they angle thing them bad down here, starting to take care of them at all. Alright guys, so we are relaxing a little bit. We had lunch and it's very cool under here, and it's just us. Man, so if you drop in the sun, man, just roll over. Let's roll over. Yes guys, so we're just relaxing a little bit. It's just us. Yes, we own this beach. So it's a day of relaxation today, a Saturday, just taking it easy. Well guys, when we're ready to leave, then I'll link you back and I'll show you some of what we miss on the journey coming down here, because right now I'm seeing that I have a limited amount of time on my video, so I'm gonna check that out as well, because I have a very large memory card in this phone. So guys, see you later. Okay, so guys, you have persons who visit the beach, they would write stuff. This is the roof. I zoomed it in, that's why it looks so close. So you have persons that leave their signature when they visit this island, visit this beach. A lot of persons. And I think this cabana was rebuilt in, I think, 2016. It was a very small one, and then the beach was bought by some gentleman that owned hotels in Grand Cayman and stuff, and he bought this place and he have the cabana rebuilt, so it's it's like 4 times bigger than the one that was here before. So there it is guys, all the visitors. But I don't know how some of the people get up in the ceiling, up the roof up in here, but they got up there. And look, see, this one is recent. Let's see, it says, so we have there, I'm trying to find that one to show you. That one is recent, because it's this year that we have the coronavirus. So I don't know who those persons are, but there it is. He's sleeping, guys. Hey guys.
I line him that they are jerking up.
No.
See him, man, I go there?
Let's see, man. Hi guys, so oh my hair looks terrible. So we got a nap, a very good nap, nice nap. It's cool. I was thinking about going back into the water, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna go back in. So we may be here for a little bit more and then head on home. Yes, guys, it has been a very relaxing day. Fun and relaxing day. It's cool under here, very, very cool, guys. So when next you see us, we'll be heading out. Alright? Alright, guys, so there was a couple that came here earlier and they were in the water, but they say they saw a shark and it was not a nerve shark, and they came out of the water and they left. So I was hoping to come out here to get a little glimpse of Mr. Sharky, but apparently when he saw them he turned around, so thank God for that. He's not one of those sharks that will attack. So we are not going to go back into the water. We are just gonna head home. So you probably just see us after we reach home. Alright, so I wasn't able to get that shark, so I guess he's gone. See you guys later. Hey guys, so as you can see that sign, it may not be so clear, the iguana sign. So this one here with that line, it shows you where it was a fatal iguana, so iguana died here. So they're native, endangered, and protected here. So guys, guess what? With the iguana here, they have the right of way. Can you believe that? They have the right of way. So we are heading home. The iguana have the right of way. If they come out on the road, they either have to stop, give them some way, or allow them to cross or overtake or something. But if you hit them and they can prove that it was you, there will be a fine, guys. Can you believe that? Iguana has the right of way here. Almost home now, guys. Alright guys, so I didn't get to show you the hotels. So we're approaching the Southern Cross Con Club. The Southern Cross Con Club. So this is the Southern Cross. They have rooms, the restaurant. You know, most of the places are not functioning right now. So this is it, guys. And now we are approaching Con Club. So this is Con Club starting here. And next, after we pass Con Club, it will be the Little Cayman Beach Resort. Oh, forget to tell you, before we get to Little Cayman Beach Resort, we have the club. There it is. And this is one of the Little Cayman Beach Resort residents. And we're coming up on that. So this is it, guys. A lot of rooms over here. They do diving. Well, all the hotels do diving and stuff over here. Yes. And these are the residents. There we go. So just a little bit more ways and we are home. Alright guys, so I'm giving you the last view before we get home. We are approaching the church. So this is the church that I visit here. Then there are some other resident home for the Little Cayman Beach Resort staff. Then here we have the museum. Now I get a good thing at all. Museum, and then over here we have the Trust House, where they have like a lot of stuff. They have tea, cooking, all that. We're approaching the bank and the store. So you have the bank there, the store, the liquor store, the car rental, and then way up the road up there is the airport. So guys, we're almost home. All right guys, so this is it. Ooh, my hair looks terrible. This is it. So we are home, and this is where I'm gonna end the vlog today. I hope you did enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, share, turn on your notification bell so you will be notified when I upload another video. I had promised before to give you guys a tour, so this is basically half of the island, so the other time we'll just take the other way around. So you have a wonderful day. I got burned. You stay blessed. God bless. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.